Today, I've got some important updates on the real estate market for both buyers and sellers in the Denver Metro and Castle Rock areas that you're not going to want to miss out on. For those looking to buy a home in the Denver Metro or Castle Rock markets, there is some relief, but not quite what many would like. The market is showing signs of slowing down, which is good news for buyers. In Denver, homes are now sitting on the market for an average of 29 days, which is a 38% increase from last year, giving you a bit more breathing room to make your decision. However, down here in Douglas County, the median sales price for single-family homes is still around $759,000. But don't let that number scare you. The persistent high interest rates have prevented excitement from buyers, causing inventory to start to pile up. This means more options and more room for negotiations as a buyer. Now, if the average home price is still too high, you may want to think about looking into the condo or townhome markets. And if you cannot afford your dream home right now, get into a solid home that meets your needs and then build equity and your savings until your dream home comes within reach. And as many experts and I agree, a crash is not in the near future, and waiting for it could be costing you hundreds of thousands in rent payments. Now let's talk about selling your home in the Denver or Castle Rock markets. The market here is still fairly strong, but it's not the frenzy we've seen in recent years. However, there is a silver lining. Interest rates are expected to decrease in early 2024, which could make your property even more attractive to buyers. But here's a word of caution. If you're planning to sell and then buy another home, the hotter market could present challenges. Sellers may be less inclined to accept offers that are contingent on you selling your current home. In Douglas County, the median sales price for a single-family home is quite robust, sitting around $759,000. That's significantly higher than the Denver metro area, making now still a lucrative time to consider selling your property while still giving yourself an easy market to buy that next home. So what's the bottom line? For buyers, the market is giving you a little bit more time and space to make informed decisions. For sellers, if you can wait until early 2024, you might be able to maximize your profits. However, if you're looking to sell and then buy, it's a bit of a balancing act. You need to weigh the benefits of selling now against the challenges of buying in a hotter market. If any of this resonates with you, I strongly recommend reaching out to me. I can help you navigate these market conditions and make a plan that aligns with your real estate goals. That wraps up today's market update. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more real estate insights. Until next time, take care.